Hey guys, it's Mike Diaz with Economy Science Supply. Today we're going to be going over the control panel for your Evo 14. First we have our LCD screen here where it displays our job and all our properties on your cut files or scanned files. Right here we have the reset button. This brings the laser head back to its home position and realigns everything on the axis. Once it homes in, it'll go back to its original origin. Here you have exit, which is like your go back button. We'll exit out of any menu. File is where we bring in a file. You have all your files here that are already stored on the machine's hard drive. If you're going to import a file from a USB thumb drive, click here, enter. Look for your file on your thumb drive by clicking read U-disk. In this case we don't have any U-disk inserted. You hit exit to go back, exit again, but that's where you get your files. Files that have already been downloaded directly onto the hard drive, you select it up and down which file you want to choose. In this case we're going to choose Economy Science Supply keychain. Click enter. Here I have my file with my cut and my scanning. These buttons here basically is to change your laser head position. So if I bring it here, it'll bring my laser all the way forward. If I click left, the laser will go left. Click right, the laser head will go right. Click back, the laser head will go back. Here what we're going to do is look for the corner of our material. Click. Once we have it in position, you click origin. Now it saves that origin that I set, and that's where the job will start. Since we have this selected here already, I can literally frame the job and it'll move the laser head over the material to make sure that it is in correct position and that it's going to cut over the material you're using. Once we finish that, you can also use the pulse button here. It'll fire just a little laser point, so that way you can just make sure that it's right in the corner of the material if you want. And then from there you just click start. Machine will go ahead and start laser cutting the job, and you can actually see here very lightly it's going back and forth, so it kind of shows you the progress of the job itself. There's also a little time counter here. You can see it working. Your job is done. You exit completely out of the job. These buttons here, speed is basically, let me bring it forward, is going to be the speed of the laser head when you're moving around the for origin. So there it's moving, it's max velocity, and if I change the speed down to 100, it goes slower, so I'm able to get a more fine point for the origin. Max power, so what that is going to be is only for your pulse. So when it's just pulsing the machine, just to check for either that it's calibrated correctly or your origin on the tip of the corner of the laser, or for making sure the laser is firing correctly. Hey guys, okay, so that's a quick rundown of your control panel for your laser and how to navigate through it. Any more questions or concerns, just give us a call here at the office and we'll gladly take care of you. Thanks.